Hey, Lou from RV Habit. We're here at the 2022 Tampa RV Show, and my first stop is this new Geneva Class C by Thor. This is the model 25VA. This is an awesome Class C, kind of like a middle of the road. There is no price yet though. This is brand new, so there's no pricing on this vehicle right now. But let's take a walk around. First of all, it's on the new E350 Ford V8, and it has one large slide, probably about 12 feet long, and it's on the Schwintek system. It does come with an Onan 4,000 watt generator. It has some storage in the slide, and you could definitely fit some lawn chairs and stuff in there. And again, that's in the slide out. In the back here, underneath the slide out, is your water bay, and it's pretty basic, just your water pump, your on and off, and your strainer. It's a 30 amp service, comes with an outdoor shower and a black tank flush. Your city water connections in the back, LED lights, has a nice window in the back, and a nice added feature, it has the ladder to the roof. It comes with a 8,000 pound hitch with a 500 pound tongue weight. Over on the passenger side, it comes with a Solera electric awning, and it's pretty long. I'd probably say 16 feet. It's probably pretty much the length of the rig. A Truma, no, not Truma, it's a Girard tankless water heater. And you got more storage here. Back of your furnace. And this is a 32-inch outside TV, one of three in this RV. Very, very cool. And typical outlets. And this is just some more storage underneath the television. You're going to see a lot of storage in this RV for 25 feet. It's amazing. All right, let's go on in. We'll start out here. This is your typical Ford E-Series cutaway. They've been the same for years and years. Nothing different here. They have upgraded the radio. I can see that. But this is the new V8, and you get some controls in the steering wheel. Real nice. But very typical. Upgraded seats. These are not the standard seats. I don't believe they swivel. Nope, they're not swivel. I don't know if power or swivel is an option. Up on top, you have a nice bunk, and it's a pretty large size. I'd say full or queen at least. Nice window in the front. You have a vent up top. It's not power, it's just a vent. I don't know if that's an option. Again, these are brand new. This is, I guess, you know, it hasn't even hit the market yet. And you have a large TV here that you could swing out. And this is a 30-inch. No, that's a 32-inch. Up on top, you have some storage. Over here, when I came in, let's take a look when we came in. I missed that. Here's your control panel. You have some tank heaters for your black and gray, your water pump, your slide, and your generator start and stop. Down here you have an outlet, some light switches, your battery cutoff, and this one has solar on it. So this is your GoPro solar charger, and it also has an auto generator start. Pretty impressive. And of course, power jacks. Very nice equipped. Over at the kitchen, you have a nice big single bowl sink. I love that. I don't like the little round ones, but very nice and big. High faucet with the pull out. You have a nice Furrion stove. This is a really cool stove. So you have your typical 3 burners, nice grate, glass top, so you can still use this as a counter when you have to. This here is your oven, but below it, it looks like one big oven. This is actually a drawer. but it matches the oven. Very sharp, nice detail. Typical valances with shades. Again, another outlet, a sponge holder, and then these are drawers. Drawers are all wood construction with ball bearing glides. And this is nice under the sink, and it actually has room for a garbage can. Phenomenal. A lot of Class C's don't have that, and it's sorely needed. Heating ducts are on the side. They're not in the floor. There is a step up towards the back. It does come with a convection microwave, not just a microwave, a convection microwave, and some more storage. Above has another vent in the center of the rig. Again, no, this particular model doesn't have a fantastic vent or a max air fan. It does have one of those little bathroom fans in there. Those are worthless, but I don't know, again, if that's an option. Usually that is an option. Your pantry has 2 deep wells here, plus 2 slide outs. Again, all wood on ball bearings. This has a Norcold refrigerator freezer. All stainless steel. Your power center, another heating duct, and believe it or not, a third television. It's a 32-inch television. So you have 3 televisions in this 25-foot rig. Really amazing. Your thermostat, another light switch, and another outlet. This thing, there's no want for any outlets here. They have done a great job putting outlets everywhere you need them. 2 more drawers for more storage. Then we work our way back into the bathroom, and the bathroom, again, tons of storage. Huge closet. You can hang clothes in here or storage. And in the side here is actually an extender ladder if you needed an extender ladder in the outside. More drawers all the way down. Another heating duct. We have a medicine cabinet. Small sink and under sink storage. My favorite part about this, it actually has a China toilet. That's nice. I hate to see the plastic toilets. That's a waste. And out here in the corner is your shower. Now the shower is definitely a little tight. It's one of those step-up showers where your water tank is underneath that. So I'm 5'10". I went in there. I fit in there comfortably. But if you're 6 feet, approaching 6 feet, it's definitely going to be tight. But real nice. It's got the doors. I like doors over curtains, but very, very nice. And for your pet, it's got a pull-out drawer for pet balls. Excellent touch. Great, great touch. Love it. And pocket door to close. Now the real cool thing about this rig is it's only 25 feet and it's got a bunk up front. The bathroom is in the back. It's got seating area to watch TV here. It's got a booth. It's got a Murphy bed. So when you're not using a bed, it closes up and you get this great couch. The Murphy bed's down here. I don't want to pull it down. It's too much trouble and there's more people waiting to get in here. But if you look, again, even on the side here, USB ports, a cigarette lighter adapter or 12-volt adapter, and electrical outlets, 110. Again, outlets everywhere you look here, they've put an outlet, which you rarely see in Class C's. Usually you're fighting to find an outlet. They have an outlet everywhere you can want it. The dinette, they've done a great job with the dinette. They've even put a wireless charger on top of the table. Very nice touch. And if you look underneath, there's 110 and USB ports underneath there. There's even USB ports here for people in the bunk, or if you're sitting here, more storage over the dinette. This thing is loaded with storage and outlets and USB ports. This is a very well laid out rig. It's not a low end rig, but I wouldn't classify it as the highest end Class C rig. Very nice, middle of the road. They've done a great job with the layout. They've done a great job with adding outlets and USBs where you need them. Definitely one to look at. Again, there's no price on it right now. It's from Thor. It's called Geneva. I like it. I really like it. So if you're in the market for a Class C, definitely you want to check this out before making a purchase. But as always, I thank you for watching. This is Lou from RV Habit. I'll see you soon.